from outside the box looks nice. The first thing that you get after opening the box is the instruction manual. Inside it shows you that first you have to remove the plastic cover from the lens clip, then both the mounting process for wide angle lens and the macro lens, and at last how to attach the rechargeable LED light. The next thing that we get in the box is actually a USB key. So this is just a way to go to their website, product website. So they actually show you how to open the USB key and insert it to your laptop or desktop, whatever you use. You have to push it in from the bottom, and it can be actually quite difficult in the beginning. So I'm trying to open. Yeah, just push it harder. Okay, so after pushing for a while, so it actually got released. So you can see this is the part that you have to insert into your laptop or desktop's USB-A port, and you can register it and you'll get lifetime warranty. So the next and the actual lenses we get from the box. So both the wide angle lens and the macro lens, they come attached together. The lenses have metal bodies, probably aluminum, I'm not so sure. They have a good weight. The wide angle lens provides 45% more view, and the macro lens comes with 12.5x magnification. I'm going to attach the lenses a little bit later. Let's see what else in with the lens clip. And then you can just remove the front protective cover. I'm going to use an iPhone 7 for this demonstration. The lens will also work with a lot of other phones as long as this clip can actually reach your phone lens, and it has pretty large area, so probably will fit most of the lenses. So this is how you use the wide angle lens, but I'm going to show you how to use the macro lens now. So I'm going to remove the top part of the lens, and then it becomes the macro lens. The lens clip is really strong. It has a probably foam inside of it, so it will not actually hurt your phone, but it will also not fall out. It's quite strong. So you can see you can get super close to the object. Here you can see without and with lens. So this was taken without the lens, and this is with the wide angle lens, and here is the macro example.